How to recover deleted data from iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted data from iPhone. First, go to the Photos app on your iPhone. Now select any picture and you can delete the picture. Here, scroll down and you will find the recently deleted at the bottom. Then view the album of recently deleted. You will find the picture that you've deleted, then tap on the picture. After that, tap on Recover to recover the photo. Lastly, reach the Photos and you will find the picture there. Another way is to go to the Settings and tap on your Apple ID. Select iCloud and tap on iCloud Photos. Now, enable the Sync This Phone option to continue the photo updating. Go back to the Settings and scroll down to tap on Apps. Here, reach the Photos app and enable the iCloud Photos option. Then scroll down and you will find the Transfer to Mac or PC option. Mark a tick on Automatic and go to the Safari app. Use the search bar to search for iCloud and reach the first website. After that, hit the Sign In button and sign in to your account. Lastly, you will find the photos and it will show your media here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.